Good morning, friends. Already we have completed section A, section B, and section C. Today we want to discuss about the section D. So in section D, if you will see properly, one theorem that is called Thales theorem 51. Again say to you 4 marks each. You can get, we have to attend any 3, so 12 marks. So 1 marks 2.25 minutes. So for 12 marks that is 30 minutes. Not more than 30 minutes you have to do in this section. So in 30 minutes you have to attend any 3 questions. State and prove Thales theorem, that is theorem 6.1. So again here statement is there. So compulsory you have to give the statement of it also, and then you have to prove. So we have to remember that whenever prove is there, I am not explain it here because everything in your text. So in theorem what you have to write? A statement you have to write, that is always remember first step statement. You will get half marks when question is statement. Then what is given, that you have to write. To prove you have to write and prove. 3 things, 4 things you have to write in theorem and with figure. Always remember, if you draw the figure perfectly, you will get half marks. Statement you will get half marks. Given, again you will get half marks. To prove, again you have to give half marks, and then proof. So 4 marks weightage. So you can easily get 2 marks from the statement, given, proof, and figure. And other 2 marks is there with the proof. So already you know that Thales theorem. In Thales theorem, what you have to prove, that in a triangle ABC, if I will pass one line, it will be converted into E and F. Then it will be divided into 2 segments. That we have to prove. That is, if I will take A, if we will take A, B, C, then I have to prove that AE upon BE is equal to AF upon FC by using area of triangle formula. Okay, so I am not explaining deeply because already it is in our text. Again one more theorem is there, that is state and prove Pythagoras theorem. Again you have to make statement, and you know that Pythagoras statement, that A, B, C, and we have to make a D. So 90 degree is there, then we have to prove. So already we know about both theorem. So I am not explaining this the theorem. And now question number 3, that is radius of a circle 6 cm, 10 cm away from the center. Construct a pair of tangent and measure the length. So how we can measure the length? That is important, because here you will see the point is 10 cm. Question is, draw a, here it is radius, that is 6 cm. It's a construction, but what is the value you get, that you must know. So I have to find out this value. So by applying Pythagoras, we can easily know that value of 8. But when you are doing the construction, you construct like that you will get value of tangent is 8. Now our target is, we want to concentrate question number 54. that is our important target. So now see, already I am written the question perfectly. Now whenever already we have discussed, then when vertically it is given, we have, sorry, horizontally it is given, we have to convert into a vertically. So again I am write that here, class frequency and cumulative frequency we have to find out. So class, that is 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, and 40 to 50, and 50 to 60. Now frequency, that is 10, F1, 25, 30, F2, and 10, and total, that is given 100. Now you know the how we can find out CF. So 10 plus F1, 10 plus F1, 10 plus 25, that is 35 plus F1, 35 plus 30, that is 65 plus F1, 65 plus F1 plus F2, and 75 plus F1 plus F2. Now already we know that F1 plus F2 plus 75 is equal to 100. So F1 plus F2 is equal to 100 minus 75, that is 25. So always remember that sum of two frequency you will get answer 25. Sometimes we have seen that they get answer in negative. So don't write your answer in frequency as a negative. Now we have to go through the formula. So median M is equal to L plus N by 2 minus CF upon F into height H. Now everything I have given, now you can solve this. How we can solve this now? So let me So now by using formula M is equal to L plus N by 2 minus CF upon F into height H. What is a M? That is median. So that is given median 32. Now mostly I have seen that when median sum is there, students are finding the median class. But here no need to find out the median class. Why? Because when median is given, it means median class is also there, because our median is always between median class. So you will see that 32 is the median given. So answer must be between 30 to 40. That is 32. So now we have to make a rectangle shape like that. Why I am making like that? Because everything is now in median class. I have to write frequency at here. CF. We know that what is the value of CF? CF is cumulative frequency of the median class. Median class cumulative frequency I have to write. So the preceding median class. Cumulative frequency is the preceding of median class, so above. And frequency of the median class. And lower limit of the class, that is L. So L is equal to 30, F is equal to 30, CF is equal to 35 plus F1. Now I have to put the value, that is value of M, that is given 32. So 32. Now what is the value of L? That is 30. N by 2. So 100. N is equal to 100. So N by 2, that is 100 by 2. That is 50. So 50. Minus CF. Now important step here. Mostly we have seen that students are doing the mistake. Only write 35 as a minus and they write F1 as a plus. But here F1 is also minus. Why? Bracket outside, there is a negative sign. Now frequency F. So what is frequency F? That is 30. And median height, that is already 10. So according to it, 32 minus 30, that we can take 2. Here 0 0 cut, so only 3 is remain. 50 minus 35, that is 15 minus F1. So 3 2s are 6 is equal to 15 minus F1. Therefore F1 is equal to 15 minus 6. F1 is equal to 9. Now you can find out F2 yourself. So now F1 is equal to 9. Sum of two sides. F1 plus F2 is equal to 25. F1 is equal to 9. So F2 minus 25 minus 9, that is 16. So F2 is equal to 16. So 4 marks, it has a weightage. You have 10 minutes. So neatly and properly calculation, if you will do it, you can get easily 4 marks, because in basic maths chapter number 14 has more than 10 marks. So you have to concentrate it. Now one construction discuss we can also. Construct a triangle similar to the given triangle ABC side 5:3 when it is greater than 5. So greater than 1, less than 1 and greater than 1. So that is called scale ratio. It is also in your text as a example. So I think already all 4 A, B, C, D section I have clear. It consume only your 2 hours. So go through thoroughly the video. You can easily understand all the sum. Only construction and theorem I am not explaining, because already it is in your text. Others sums require for explanation.